Nowadays, presentation have become an integral part of modern communication, allowing us to convey ideas, pitch projects, and inspire audience with clarity of professionalism. However, the process of navigating through slides and managing the presentation environment can sometimes be daunting, especially when you are striving for seamless delivery. And that's where these shortcuts come in handy. From controlling slide transition to engaging your audience dramatically, these 15 shortcuts are designed to streamline your workflow and unleash your full potential as a presenter. So whether you are a professional presenter or you have just started up, this video is for you. So my name is Parth Patel and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today we are diving into the world of presentation and uncovering 15 powerful shortcuts that can really change your experience while presenting. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore these individual tools that will empower you to captivate your audience and deliver memorable presentations like never before. Now, I want you to watch this video till the end because as we move forward in this video, we'll show you new shortcuts which have recently came up. So, it may happen that in the starting of the video, you know few of the shortcuts. But later in this video, you may find some interesting shortcuts which you must use while you are presenting. So the very first and basic shortcut is that when you want to start the slideshow, we can just directly go here. You can see this button for slideshow, but you want a shortcut key which you can press and start the slideshow. So you can use F5 button or function F5 button to start the slideshow. So let me press F5 and start the slideshow. And here you go. So while you are presenting an important presentation, it is very important to shift the focus away from the slides temporarily and bring the focus on you to bring the attention of the audience. You want the audience to see you intentionally. So here you can use this shortcut. So you can press W while you are in the slideshow mode, and these shortcuts allow you to quickly blank out the screen, and after that audience will suddenly start looking at you. So to go to your slide again, just press W once more. So this is how you can turn your screen white whenever you want and press W again to come to the slideshow again. And in this you have one more color option. So the color is black. Yes. So by pressing B, you can black out the screen, and by pressing B again, you can turn the slideshow back. So you have two color options to blank out the screen. One is W and another one is black. Now, while you are presenting, it is very hard to navigate in between your slides. So let us say you are at the slide number 11 and one of the audiences asks you to go to slide number 5 or slide number 6. Then you need to stop the slideshow and go to slide number 6 and start the slideshow again. But with this shortcut, you can navigate in between your slides with this slide selector tool. So just press Ctrl S and it will show you all the slides. And let us say you want to go to slide 2 again. I'll select this slide 2 and press go to. So it will directly go to slide number 2. And now by pressing Ctrl S again, let us go to slide number 4. So this is the slide selector shortcut which you can use and navigate in between your slides. And this is one of my favorite tools. Now, for instance, you don't want to use Ctrl S to navigate the slides. This one. So you don't want your audience to see this dialog box open while you are presenting. So there is another way you can navigate to a particular slide. So let us say I want to go to slide number 4. So I'll press 4 and then hit enter. So I'll directly jump to the slide number 4. Now let us say I want to jump to slide number 1. So I'll press 1 and I'll hit enter. So I'll directly go to slide number 1. So this is how you can navigate to your slide. Let me go back to slide number 5. So I'll hit 5 and then enter. So I'm directly in slide number 5. And this tool come very handy and I use this tool very frequently while I'm presenting. I hope this will help you as well when you present. Now, most often in my college days, I used to present my project. And in that, I had lots of formulas to present. And at that time, it was very hard to highlight a formula. So let us say I want to highlight this formula of variance. So I'll press Ctrl P to bring in the pen and then I will highlight this variance formula by circling it like this. Let us say I want to highlight the mean as well. So I'll circle this mean formula as well. So to bring this pen, we just have to press Ctrl P. And this is very useful when you want to bring attention to some of the details when you are showing up in a slide. Now, after you circle anything or after you point out with the pen, you need to erase it. Let us say you want to erase this circle, which I just made. So you can press Control E and that will bring the eraser, and you just need to click the circle. So it will erase the circle which you made with the pen like this. And let us say you have used pen everywhere in your slide and you want to erase it everything which you just made. So just press E and that will erase all of the detailings which you have made using the pen. Now instead of pressing Control P to bring in the pen, let us press Control I to highlight something. So I just press Control I and it brings me the highlighter tool, and now I can highlight the formula of the mean like this. So Control I is the key which you can use to bring in the highlighter and highlight anything which you want when you are presenting. And again, you can press Control E to bring in the eraser and erase the all highlighted part which you just made. So shortcut number 8 is you can press Control I to bring in the highlighter and highlight anything which you want. Now let us say while you are presenting, your cursor disappears. So to bring the cursor back again, you can press Control A to bring the cursor back. So if I press Control A, my cursor will come back. Now this is most frequently used tool by all the presenters. Yes, the laser. We can press Control L to bring in the laser, and this basically acts like a laser light we are pointing at. And you can press Control A to convert it into the cursor again. So if I press Control L, it will convert it into the laser, and you can press Control A to bring the cursor back. Now let us say when you are presenting, you want to zoom into a particular photo or a particular area where you want to bring the attention of the audience. Now for instance, I have a photograph over here and I wanted to show the audience that there is a cat sitting over here in this photo. But audience can't see the cat because it is hidden in this photo. But I wanted to zoom at this particular point. So I press plus sign. So it will zoom into the slide, and now you can see that this is the cat, and by doing this my audiences may be able to see the cat now. And to zoom out, I'll press minus sign. So by using plus and minus sign, you can zoom in or zoom out of the slide. And now next shortcut is Control H, and by using this you can hide the cursor. Now most of the people don't like that the cursor is visible while they are presenting, so that's where they can press Control H and hide the cursor like this, and they can press Control A if they want to bring in the cursor. So you can press Control H to hide the cursor. Now if you want to view the taskbar while you are in a presentation mode, just press Control T to bring in the taskbar. And to hide the taskbar again, you can click anywhere on the slide area and the taskbar will disappear. Now for you, my friend, it is very difficult to remember all these shortcuts at a time, and you want to refer the cheat sheet of this. So F1 is the key to view all the shortcuts which you can use while you are in presentation mode. So let me press function F1 or F1, and that will bring in all the shortcuts, and this is called the slideshow help dialog box. So here you can see all the general shortcuts which are available while you are presenting. We have some shortcuts for rehearse or record. There are many shortcuts for media control, laser or ink pointer shortcuts which we have just saw, and the touch shortcuts are also available for swiping forward, swiping backward, pinch, stretch, tap or double tap. So you can refer this dialog box and this will help you a lot. Now we'll press OK, and the last and the 15th shortcut is escape. So let us say you have presented all the slides which you have prepared and now you want to stop the slideshow. So you can just press escape button to stop the slideshow like this. So these are all top 15 shortcuts that you must know if you are a presenter. And I'm pretty much sure that you found this video very helpful. And there is one more shortcut to master your presentation skills. Yes, you can simply press that subscribe button and hit the like button. And by doing that, you will get a benefit of learning PowerPoint and the tips and tricks. So do share this video to your friend who love to present. And I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, goodbye.